Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 15 and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen twice, and then you wanna flip to the second page where you will find Edit button. Click on it and then locate your screen recording toggle somewhere in the grayer area. Oh, there we go, it's the last one for me. Once you see it, you can hold it, you can then drag it to the top, drop it, click on done, and now you have access to it on one of the pages depending on where you dropped it. Here we're gonna click on screen recorder, allow, and it gives you this overlay right here. So what you want to do is click on the red circle. This will then begin recording. Now, luckily for us, there are two glorious applications that can showcase how screen recorder doesn't record screen. Which one of them will be Spotify. Keep in mind I'm not signed into those, nor have I actually downloaded them. They come just with a device without my permission. So here we go, here we have a login page. Cool. You can see that Netflix, same thing. I don't even actually own a Netflix account, to be completely honest. Therefore, I haven't even ever agreed to terms of service of Netflix. Anyway, once we're done recording, you can click right here on the square. This will automatically save the screen recording. You can also click on the X to get rid of this overlay. Now navigate to your gallery. Again, you will need to agree to whatever trash shows up right here. So I'm going to select allow all. It just makes it much easier. And it shows up with our screen recording. You can also find your screen recordings by going into the albums, and in albums you will find screenshots and screen recordings album. Just make sure you select the correct tab right here at the top. And here we go. So the reason why screen recording won't be seeing these two applications is because they use the feature that is designed for you, for your privacy and security, for their privacy and security. They never let you know about this, and you never gave them the permission to do this, but it doesn't matter. They consider this device to be theirs now. Sarcastically speaking, but you can obviously see that there is missing content from the screen recording, and it just shows up as a black screen. So for people that are interested and would like to record something like that, I can recommend alternatives to these applications, as, let's be honest, an application like Spotify that started up as a literal piracy, so literally downloaded all the music through LimeWire and then decided to stream it to people, has the goals to basically block screen recorders for the same reason. How about no? So for that reason, I recommend checking out something like, for instance, cracked versions of Spotify. They do exist. They might be a little bit wonky, but they work fully well. So it's basically premium without paying for it. And for alternatives, you can also just check anything that starts with re and continues with Vans. Hopefully AI doesn't detect that and doesn't demonetize this. And as a manager, you will find a bunch of different applications that are fully working and basically do the same thing. They're basically the same applications, but unlocked. So I recommend that. And those will actually allow you to be recorded without giving you any kind of crap. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.